Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix AOC monitor game mode gray out. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So first of all, restart the monitor. To potentially fix the issue, try restarting the monitor. Okay, this can be done by turning off the monitor, waiting for a few seconds, and then turning it back on. After the monitor restart, check if the game mode option is now accessible. Okay. So second step is check the monitor connection. Ensure the monitor is properly connected to the device and the cable is undamaged. If there is a problem, try using a different cable or connecting the monitor to another device to see if that issue is fixed. Okay. So third step is try connecting to a different display port. If the monitor is connected to the device with a multiple display port, then try connecting to the different port. This is because sometimes the specific port may not be functional correctly or may not support monitor game mode feature. Okay, so that's why we have to connect this. So our fourth step is reset the monitor setting. Locate the menu button on the bottom of your AOC monitor and press once to open the setting menu. Use the navigate button left and right to move through the setting menu. Navigate to the extra section by pressing the right key repeatedly until you reach it out. Once the extra section, click on the menu button to access the setting within, and then continue pressing the right key until you find the reset section, and then scroll down, locate the reset option within the setting. After this, press the menu button to enter the reset setting. Confirm the reset by selecting yes and press proceed by pressing the forward button. Okay. So our fifth step is contact AOC monitor support. If all of these steps is still not working for you, you can contact AOC support for additional help. They can offer additional troubleshooting device, organize a repair or replacement if the speaker are determined to be defected. Okay. So this is our all step. Thanks guys.